Peacock is only available in the US, so if you're watching from anywhere else, you're going to need a workaround. Let's start with the most reliable option. A VPN gives your device a US IP address, which makes Peacock think you're streaming from inside the States. It's the only way to access the full platform from abroad. Connect to a US server and you're in. However, the tricky part is finding a VPN that can get past Peacock's detection. NordVPN is what I personally use and recommend. They have over 3,300 US servers, and in testing, it unblocked Peacock reliably on the first try. However, I'd still recommend testing your setup before you need it, just to make sure everything runs smoothly. The NordVPN link is in the description. With my link, you'll get an extra free month on a 2-year plan. Keep in mind, you'll also need a US payment method to sign up. Peacock won't accept foreign cards, but a Peacock gift card works if you don't have one. If you'd like a more flexible, long-term solution, I personally use US Unlocked. It's a virtual US credit card designed for international users, and it's worked great for me to access Peacock and other US streaming services. Other similar services worth looking into include Airwallex, Carry, or privacy.com. Now, if you're not looking to use a VPN, there are some official options depending on where you live. In Europe, Sky and Now carry Peacock content in the UK, Ireland, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Italy. In Canada, Peacock originals air on Chorus channels like W Network and Showcase, or you can stream on Stack TV. In Latin America, Universal Plus has Peacock content in Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia. In Australia, Foxtel and BINGE are the exclusive home of Peacock originals. OSN Plus covers the Middle East and North Africa. And in India, you can find some Peacock content on Geo-Hotstar. Just keep in mind that in all these cases, you're getting a selection of Peacock originals, not the full US library. I hope you found this video helpful. The links are in the description. See you in the next one.